Come on. Oh, there you go. There's my boy. Oh man, I should make a YouTube channel. Steel in the Woods. That's one of the things I love about YouTube is you can make videos about anything. Why aren't you making videos? You could promote yourself, your company, your dog. Why not do it? I know it's busy, right? You got work, you're running a company, too much stuff, right? I get it, totally get it. But that's where I come in. Let me make your video. All right, let's go find steel. Come on, buddy. I think we got a new YouTube video, Steel in the Woods.